Hello all, welcome to Anjus universe. Today I am going to make raw mango chutney. So here are the ingredients. First I have chopped raw mango into small cubes. It started getting ripe, so no problem with that. With skin I have chopped that one. And these are the masalas we are going to need. This is hing, asafoetida. This is carom or caraway seeds, ajwain, pinch of salt. This is raw jeera powder. I have fried it and then I have grind it. And this is raw jeera powder. Normal jeera, whatever powder we used to use, that one. This is red chili powder and this is turmeric powder. And this one I have, instead of adding sugar, I have added jaggery. So what I have done, I have just melted this jaggery in little bit of water and kept it aside. And this is dates. I have chopped into small cubes. So let's get started. So we have put one pan in gas. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I am going to add caraway seeds or carom seeds, ajwain. Just fry for 1 minute, no need to fry too much. Now I will add hing, asafoetida, and I'll add all the masalas whatever I have shown. At this stage we'll add the mangoes. So here's our mangoes, we are going to add it. We'll fry this mango with these masalas for just 2 to 3 minutes. We'll put the lid on and we'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see it started becoming soft. Now we are going to add rest of our items. The dates, and the jaggery syrup. We'll cover this for another 5 minutes and it will be ready to serve. You can eat with chapatis, puris, parathas, even with rice also. So we'll put the lid on and leave it for 5 minutes. So we'll see how our chutney is going on. It's done. See, it started thickening and it's done. Now we'll put into the bowl. So here's how our chutney is going to look. Enjoy it, try it, and if you have any question, write below in comment. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.